Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Today we're on our in-stock Harris 21-foot cruiser. It's a really nicely equipped boat. Back in the back, you've got the 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke on here. Super quiet engine, very smooth shifting. You'll really like the Merc 150. Over the engine, you have a ski tow bar back here. On the port and starboard side, we have places for fenders. You can fit nice big fenders inside there. If you look behind me, there's a swim ladder. That swim ladder goes really deep down in the water. It's a 4-step ladder, so you don't have to raise your legs up really high to get your legs up on that ladder. Big sun pad in the back of the boat here, and as you can see, there's drink holders all around that sun pad. We move forward here. We've got a gate that you can close to lock off kids or dogs out of the back area. A really big bimini top for a 21-foot. This provides a lot of shade for the L-shaped seating here, as well as for the captain. And speaking of the captain, look at the nice captain's chair that you have on here. Armrests on here, super plush captain's chair. Very easy controls right at your fingertips here. Deluxe steering wheel. Stereo's already in here. Your marine electronics. Again, more drink holders. One down there, one drink holder there. A couple more up here. You can never have too many drink holders. Front of the boat, port and starboard side, both very comfortable couches on here. This boat is at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Give us a call today, 904-338-9970.